Recovering deleted messages on HBO Max can be challenging, but there are steps you can take to try and retrieve them. Follow this guide for a straightforward approach. Step 1. Check the app's archive. Look for any archived messages within the HBO Max app. Some apps have an archive feature that stores deleted messages temporarily. Step 2. Review your email notifications. If you have email notifications enabled, check your email for any messages related to HBO Max. Sometimes, important notifications or messages are sent to your email. Step 3. Contact HBO Max support. Reach out to HBO Max customer support for assistance. They may have tools or methods to help recover your deleted messages or provide guidance on what to do next. Step 4. Check for backups. If you regularly back up your device, check if your backup includes the HBO Max app data. Restoring from a backup may help recover deleted messages. Step 5. Monitor future messages. To prevent losing important messages in the future, consider regularly saving or taking screenshots of important conversations. This can help you keep a record of essential information. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on HBO Max may not always be possible, following these steps can increase your chances of retrieving important information.